Jellyfish, mesmerizing marine creatures, belong to the phylum Cnidaria and are found in oceans worldwide. With over 2,000 species, they vary in size, shape, and coloration from tiny, transparent organisms to large, vibrant blooms. Jellyfish have gelatinous bodies composed mostly of water, lacking bones, brains, or hearts. They propel themselves using pulsations of their umbrella-shaped bells and drift with ocean currents. While many species sting their prey using specialized cells called nematocysts, not all jellyfish are harmful to humans. Their diets consist mainly of plankton, small fish, and other jellyfish. Despite their delicate appearance, jellyfish populations can bloom rapidly, impacting ecosystems and fisheries. Climate change and pollution exacerbate these blooms, emphasizing the need for sustainable ocean management and conservation efforts.